Hello and welcome to another update on Ethereum. I'm here on the daily time frame. Just to start here on the larger time frame, just to highlight to you that nothing has really changed on the larger time frame. I also want to take a look, however, at the Ethereum dominance chart. So how does Ethereum perform to the rest of the crypto sector? We'll take a look at that as well in this video. From a daily chart point of view, it's just stuck in a very, very boring sideways consolidation up there. However, it's holding up really, really well, yeah, especially compared to other coins. It's holding really well. The key Fibonacci support area at the moment on this chart, with basically this zone which constrains the bullish scenario here, yeah, so it supports the bullish scenario. This zone is between $3,374 and $4,061. That hasn't really changed. I have to say, typically, a wave 4 would reach the 38.2 retracement. That's at 3,665. That's an ideal target for a fourth wave. But because of the significance of these previous swing highs, yeah, this level around $4,050, and because we're holding above it, I would actually prefer if we could stay above that level and then just form one more high to $5,800 plus. For now, we are still printing higher highs and higher lows. We have not broken below any previous swing low. If we break below this one from mid-August, or mid-end August, 20th of August, this swing low there at around $4,040, that would not be a major problem. Because we can still see this decline as an A, B, C structure. So it would be part of one corrective structure. So, but for now, you know, we are caught in a correction, but we're holding above support, which means the bullish scenario remains intact. Let's also take a look at the Ethereum dominance chart. Here you can see that the market has started a rally here in April, together with a lot of altcoins. So this is obviously just the market cap Ethereum dominance in percent. For now, here the trend is up, and as long as the trend is up, Ethereum is doing well, especially compared to other cryptocurrencies. However, currently we're in a bit of a pullback. So within an uptrend, we're in a pullback. The question is always, when does the uptrend break? From an Elliott wave point of view, the uptrend starts to break below 11.35%. We're still holding above it, but we're approaching this zone right now. And this zone, yeah, is between 11.35% and 13.12%. Seems like we might target that range right now. At least at the moment, the local trend is down, local trend only, yeah. And we'll see if the market can find support in this region and then start the next move up from there. It's very much possible that we are stuck in a sideways correction on the Ethereum USD chart until we find support here, and then the price can push higher in a fifth wave. Something to watch for. Now let's also take a look at the Ethereum chart, shorter time frame. Here again, this is what I mean, you know, we are kind of stuck in a range, and please don't put too much weight on the smallest movements here. A lot of people try to trade every single wave here. That's the easiest way how you can lose money in a correction. In a correction, in a consolidation phase, especially in a wave 4, the focus is actually on protecting money. It's on capital preservation. Yeah, this is not the time to make profits anyway. I mean, maybe here and there if you know how to trade it, but most people won't do well trading corrections. It's a mess. The key is to watch for a breakout to the upside, yeah, or get positioned waiting for that breakout. But trying to trade here every up and down likely will leave you with less money after the correction. In corrections, it's important to survive, right? In a trend, when we continue the move up, that's where money is made. That's where profits are made, yeah? But in a correction, many people lose money. And key is just in corrections to focus on capital preservation. Just wanted to highlight that. For now, I mean, this is still seen as a wave 4. It can be a so-called WXY structure. We could get a few more squiggles here to the downside. The price yesterday reacted to the 100% extension target at $4,211. We had a rally and a pullback into micro support. So this support zone is currently holding below between $4,250 and $4,330. But this is really just very, very weak support. If we now rally from here, find support here, this could be the D wave of the triangle pattern we've been tracking. And then we can get another higher low. And the wave 4 then could be a completed Elliott wave triangle. If we break this support, then 4,050 should be next. This area here around the previous swing low. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.